Hey rollers, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am needing to do another grocery haul. This one's gonna be a little bit smaller because my next week one will be my stock up one. So let's go to the nearby store of VONS and see what they have on sale today. Let's go. They have such good produce here. Ooh, I gotta get some of those. Do you guys know when the turkeys go on sale? I mean, like an official, is it like the week of? Should I start now? Let me know. So there are some toilet papers there, but there's a lot of emptiness there too. Uh-oh. Okay, so we just left VONS with some really good sales, and Jonas was our calculator today, and he had them with us, and we had a limit. It was $100, and what did you come out to be?
99.97.
And what was the final?
99.95.
He was off by 2 pennies. So he did amazing. That's much better than I would do. So I think he's hired to come with me every single time to go shopping. Don't you think? All right, we just came back. And so I want to show you what I got. There's kind of like a weird glare right here from my window. Super sorry. So let me show you first. I got all of those sodas. I know it looks like a ton. It just shows that they're in bottles. So we got 4 2 liters. They were 99 cents each. And then 3 of these 6 packs of soda bottles, which were $1.99. So sodas were $10, but if we don't have to go to the store to get some on the tap, which if you live here in the Vegas Valley, there is like 7-Elevens and Arcos and all kinds of places on every corner, so everybody can get a super big gulp of sorts of their favorite drinks. So that's why we have the sodas, and this is actually the only amount of sodas we have. I know people who stock up like cases and cases because they don't want to run out. So I don't care if we run out, and it's actually okay. The boys can suffer for a few days. But here we go. Got a little more. And then I also got this detergent soap. Now this isn't my normal scent, but it was half off any detergent soap. I had a coupon for my VONS app, the For You app, which is, if you don't have it, that it can save tremendous amounts of money. So that ended up being $4.50. Okay, now we can unpack. So I wanted to show you up close what that looks like. It's called Clean and Simple. It's actually the first time I've ever seen it on the shelves. It smells really good. So it's a little bit more fragrant than the one I normally get, which has kind of like that soft, like a seafoam green colored cap. It smells really fresh. This is a little bit stronger in smell, but smells really clean, really good. Okay, let's do with stuff that needs to go into the freezer. I had a coupon for this to get it for $1.99. Thought Paul and Jonas really like their ice cream. And then and I also had another coupon to get chicken breast. So I got 3 packs of these. They're somewhere between 2 and 3 pounds. And there were $1.67 a pound. So that was a really good price. I picked up some more sour cream because I do like to mix this, a little bit of sour cream when we're making like green enchiladas. I just get the green enchilada sauce, and then I'll add some of the sour cream in there to kind of make it more of a creamy sauce, and it's perfect. These were on sale for 68 cents. Very good. You have to have the app though. Okay, so Jonas went with me, right? You saw that. And he loves pot stickers. So I always pick out something special for the guys that go with me to grocery shop. So this was like $6, I believe, $6 or $7. But I know he will devour this whole bag. Maybe I don't want him to do that. Save some for the rest of us. Okay, this cheese was like $6.50 or so. Also had a coupon for that, and these were $1.77 each. Coupon. I just picked up some Nathan's hot dogs. I have some croissant, the biscuits, the Pillsbury to unroll them and cut these in half and roll them up, make a pigs in a blanket kind of thing. I thought like an easy lunch or quick dinner for the kids. Yum, right? Let's keep going. All right, here is where I bought multiples of things to save even more money. So these cereals were $1.27 each. So I just bought these Crunch Berries. I know that Ezra has liked these in the past, but peanut butter, that looks so good. So let me know in the comments if you've ever had this flavoring and if you like it. So I think we're going to like it very much. I also picked up 3 bags of Doritos. I got 2 of these ones and 1 of these. They were also like $1.87 each, or no, $1.77 each. But you had to buy 3. So these are my go-to chips when I'm having a tuna sandwich. Not just any tuna, my bougie tuna. And I still have some in my pantry over here from when I went to Costco. I love it. Kids hate it, but whatever, I don't care. I picked up a loaf of French bread. Such a good addition to a dinner. Love it. In fact, maybe I'll have some for dinner tonight or tomorrow. We'll go with that. I also picked up some gluten-free tortillas for Paul. We already have some tortillas in the back freezer for when we have, for when we want to use them for ourselves. But these are for Paul, and he really liked them. So if you're thinking about changing some things in your diet, these gluten-free ones are so soft. And I keep going like this because they're so pliable. When you start looking into some of the gluten-free options, they're a little bit like crunchy, hard. They're not like what it's supposed to be, kind of cardboardy. Anyways, these are a good addition to a gluten-free diet for sure. I just picked up some granola bars. I kept looking on here to see if they were gluten-free. So I just looked at the first few ingredients. So it does say whole grain oats. Now, I had called Quaker Oats years ago, and oats are supposed to be gluten-free. But when they're growing the crops, they can cross-contaminate. So depending on how severe your allergy or sensitivity is, Quaker Oats can't just say gluten-free unless they have a specified gluten-free area that's secure from cross-contamination. So I'm guessing that's why on some of these kinds of things where you know it's made out of oats, that it's not saying gluten-free on it because of that, the farming practice. But, you know, if Paul doesn't want to eat them, I'm sure somebody here will. I picked up some beef jerky for Paul. And, of course, I had to pick up some cookies. So, Oreos, it says Milk's favorite cookie, but it's also Inez's favorite cookie. So, anyways, how many does Inez eat? Hardly. They're mostly devoured by my boys, and it's their favorite, too. Okay, we're near the end here. So these little guys here, 5 pounds each for $1. That was a coupon that I had also on my app. And also another app coupon were these eggs, $1.27 each, and I got 2. Go through lots of eggs lately. These I picked up, just some celery. So what I do is I chop it up and put them into freezer baggies into just the bottom freezer here, so they're ready to go when I'm making like soups and casseroles. Then they don't have to cook as long because as soon as you put them into the heat and kind of mix it in a little bit, it's ready to go. So I enjoy having that readily on hand. So something to think about if you don't usually do that. Not let your vegetables go to waste. Chop them up and put them in freezer bags. Same thing, I got a big bag of broccoli crowns. We'll probably go through 2 when I make a dinner. So the rest I'll just chop up and put them in a freezer bag as well. So good. Last but not least, I picked up a gallon. Oh, my arms like going like this. Well, I have been using a lot of recipes lately that require milk. And if you watched my recipe with the O. Henry bars, I had to borrow milk from my neighbor because I ran out. So hopefully that will last more than a little while for us. We're not huge milk drinkers here, so the only times we use the milk is when we're having cereal or for recipes. So that should last us a while. So that's it, everyone. Let me know what you thought on how I did with my $100. I feel like I got some good stuff, even stuff to stock up on. And next week, be ready for the stock up, because I do it once a month and I am trying to hit different stores to, of course, stock up the pantry. So that will be in my next haul. So thanks so much for stopping by the channel. And let me know if you're new here. Let me know down in the comments. We love having everybody come and visit and introduce yourselves, because Saturdays we do a live, and that's where I really get to know a lot of the rollers. So if you're not doing anything at 2 p.m. on Saturday, Pacific Standard Time, then come visit us. We'll be chit-chatting away. So have a wonderful day, rollers. Stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.